Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim, in the name of Allah, the most merciful, the most gracious. This is Ahmad Zahran speaking, and welcome to our lecture for today. It's the very first lecture in a series of lectures that are related to all topics of neurosurgery. Today, we start talking about the first branch in neurosurgery, which is the congenital malformations. And let's start talking about the arachnoid cyst. To simplify everything about the arachnoid cyst is just a sac of CSF in the brain that should not be present in the brain. This is the arachnoid cyst. Just a sac that is filled with CSF that is present within the brain. The most common presentation of arachnoid cyst is that it is asymptomatic. The patient does not feel anything, and it's always accidentally discovered. Small kid who has fallen his head or hit his head and then goes to the ER, performs a CT brain, they find a cyst, a sac that is filled with CSF in the brain, and they tell him, you have arachnoid cyst. That's the most common presentation. The most common presentation is that the arachnoid cyst is asymptomatic. And what do we do with these cases? Just nothing. Just follow up. This is to simplify everything about the arachnoid cyst. It's a sac that is filled with CSF within the brain. It's asymptomatic or accidentally discovered. And most of the time, we do nothing for it, just we follow up on it. Now, let's start talking about the arachnoid cyst step by step and know everything that is related to the arachnoid cyst. And we have different sources from Greenberg, from Wilkins, from Humans, from Osborne. And let's enjoy as we get to know more about the arachnoid cyst.